Hi, good day. I want to thank you for taking a look at this website on how I am building a business with Pure Light Technologies, Inc. My name is Garnett Banfield. I live out in New York City, and I just want to share with you some of the benefits that you receive by joining my sales team. What kind of support do you get? Not only that you get our either be face-to-face support or phone or however you like to communicate. It might just be emails only, and that's okay. However you want to communicate, you just let me know, and I'll help you build a business with Pure Light Technologies. So who is Pure Light Technology and what do they do? I mean, we have a website with a lot of information on here that goes through a lot of scientific studies, how the products work, test results, our products itself. I click on this real quick and you can get a look and see what kind of products we have with the company and what they're planning on doing in the near future, right? If I click on Shop Now, for example, the company sells not just light bulbs, but what they have is a technology. It's a liquid, a coat that goes on these bulbs, these tubes. And with that, it is able to take away odors, fungus, a whole lot of different things. And they go into their science in the studies and actually explains in detail what those things are. Okay, so what I want to show you is how do you benefit as a sales representative on our team. So first of all, let me show you who I am. Here I am here on my Facebook page, Garnett Banfield. I can be reached by searching for Garnett WFP. Actually, I'll have this in the description of the YouTube description page. You can just click on the link and you can friend request me and ask me any questions, or if you need help on here, I'll help you. I also have a business page, which is my production company in New York City called World Flux Production LLC. It is actually a stage lighting company. We provide lighting services to house of worship churches, people who have corporate meetings, etc. If they need their stage lit, I actually get called to do a lot of those productions. So on the other hand, that's why I saw a opportunity to join Pure Light Technologies. Now I can offer these companies or companies such as these the opportunity to buy our light bulbs with that added benefit of the health benefits that's included, right? So here we are on my business page. I'm going to show you a little brief what I'm referring to as far as free leads. From time to time, I will run paid ads. Not all the time, but I do it quite a bit. When I do, I put a lot of money behind it and target certain people or certain industries. That's a better way to put it. I recently ran an ad right here targeting a small group of people or professionals. Did pretty well, got about 8 shares out of it, a few likes. But what it was a contest that I ran, and I said pretty much I'm going to be giving away 2 winners. They're going to receive 2 free light bulbs from us or from me, and those people are actually getting their light bulbs shipped out to them actually this week. So that was really cool. I've gotten a lot of success out of that. But what I want to go and show you is this: how serious an ad can get on Facebook, paid ad, if done right. Here's this ad I ran January 30th, targeting a certain group of people. I ran it for a few days. It reached 28,000 people. Had over 577 likes or dislikes, or a combination of things, right? 516 shares and a whole lot of interest or comments or dislikes that came about it in here in the comment section, right? So that's Facebook paid ads. Right, you go on from here, go to the next page. I want to show you YouTube. Here I actually signed out of my account. I don't know if you're aware of how YouTube marketing works, but if you're signed in and you try to do a search for a company that you're with, like maybe STEM Tech or something, or some company called 5Links, or whatever company that's out there, or even Pure Light Technologies, the company that I'm involved in, and you're signed in and you try to do you uploaded a video. You did whatever it is on the background as far as the SEO part of it, and now you try to do a search to see where you rank against the competition. If you're signed in and you do a search, more than likely you will see your video on the top of the list. It may not be found, but a good chance is if it's done right, it'll be probably on the first page. So that's not really accurate information that YouTube gives you, The most accurate information is when you actually sign out of your account, and now you do a search with, let's for example, I did Pure Light Technologies, and once I hit enter here, it gives me the top results that has Pure Light Technologies in the description or somewhere. So here is it. We have the company, Pure Light Technologies Inc. there at the top, which is okay, right? Number 3, Garnett Banfield, which is here. Here I am here. Rolleiflex Production is the company I showed you on Facebook. That's my account as well. I have 2 accounts. Number 3, here again. 4, Rolleiflex Production again. This is the company's website. This is me here, right? This is someone here that just put this up as a Pure Light review. He's probably not even in the company. He's just trying to sell a leads generation program. I kind of watched some of his video, but that's what he's doing. So be careful. Here's my partner James' website. And here I am again, and here I am again. So I'm on the first page for Pure Light Technologies several times, right? Just want to give you an idea of what I understand about internet marketing, especially with YouTube videos. So you get to benefit with that. And let me explain to you how. For example, this video here, this is talking about the affiliate program. It's an audio that I recorded and just put a picture on it. So if I click on this video real quick, I would not play it. I'm not going to play it.
And
all right. What I want to show you in the description section, if someone wants to click on the link, what happens is this. They click on that link. What happens at this point, it takes them to a website rotator. So I have several of my representatives that's in the company that's serious about building this business. I actually include them on this rotator for free. I charge you absolutely nothing. You get the benefit because you're serious about building a business. So for example, if I go down this site, and this is actually our free website that you actually receive. This is outside of what Pure Light Technologies website gives you. This is additional. And we tie in this website to the corporate website. So I'll show you real brief. And this is a very detailed website, okay? Here it is, one of our representatives. He's from Canada, Ken Bradford, right? He joined a few weeks ago, and this is his website that he got for free from us, right? And I just want to show you down below. You can take a look. This site will be in the description as well. The benefits of the product. A lot of great health benefits, which I won't go into, but it's on this website. We have testimonies, we have how the applications work, team conference calls you can listen to, frequently asked questions. A lot of information is on here, but most of all, we have our compensation plan section. How do you get paid for marketing this product around the world? First level, they pay you 10% commission on every sale, and also on resales as well. This company does not offer any auto ships. So if you're used to network marketing and you have to have a certain monthly expense per month to keep your commission checks coming in, does not exist here. That is a beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. You just have to buy the product one time. There's a gold package plan that we have for $156.75 with shipping included. And that's literally all your expense you have to actually invest in the company. You don't have to repurchase every month. I mean, if you want to, like myself, I buy some products because I do a lot of demos in New York City for people who don't understand it, but they want to physically see the product. So I buy a few different types of bulbs just to have on hand, just to show them. Right? So we have different levels, level 2, level 3, level 4. But just keep in mind the basics of it is 10% commission you earn on every sale, and you can build as wide as you'd like. The company has a plan all in place already. You can download the compensation plan to see the details and our rules. It's all here. But what I want to show you on the site down below, we have, I say it's a lot of information. We have over 141 scientific references about why this product actually works. And there's about 7 videos on here. I highly recommend if you have the time to watch it, so you really understand and educate yourself on the product or the technology. Okay? References 1 through 141. Okay, so you get this website for free. My partner James, he builds them, and actually we just go through, and then I provide the leads part as well. So this is the website. So if I click down below here, I just want to show you what happens. Your main corporate website with Pure Light Technologies is embedded here. So once I click on join, it will take you to the representatives page, and we can click on join now. Right? So that's the benefit you get. As one of the benefits is that free website. The next thing I'd like to show you here is a system that I'm using called Lead Management System by networkleads.com. You can go to that website. I'm actually a member of the site. I have the plan. I'm actually here. My information is here again. I'm actually using, and I've actually purchased a lot of leads. I'll show you down here. 600 leads, 139 leads, and 2,664 leads. These leads are all from a company called STEM Tech. So I don't know where I'll find the time to contact all these people, but what I do is, if you are serious about building a home-based business with Pure Light Technologies, I'll share these leads with you for free. It's fairly simple. We will actually give you a free system like this to use, and all I have to do is contact support, give them your contact information, and they will set up a free account for you. And all I have to do once you sign up is I can share 100 leads, 200 leads, whatever. I can share 1,000 leads with you. I mean, if you have the time or the way, a means to contact them, you can contact them. That's the benefit that you get from me. And these leads, I've purchased a plan for, I believe, for the next 4 months, and when that expires, I'm going to purchase more. So you don't have to come out of your pocket to buy leads. Okay, I mean, you're not limited by this. Of course, you have flyers, you have word of mouth advertising, you have Craigslist, Facebook, YouTube. You know, you have different ways. Or you may want to buy leads somewhere else. But if you need leads, as you can see, I have them. And I'll show you right here. I contacted a few of these people already. It kind of gives you some information down here. Company STEM Tech. So if you've heard of this company before, here's someone that either is in the company or was in the company, and they're probably looking for something else. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can get a hold of me. I said my name is Garnett Banfield. I'll be here to help you. Okay, you take care and have a blessed day.